मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड फिफ्थ। आज हम मैथ्स की वर्कबुक में करने वाले हैं चैप्टर नंबर 13 वेज टू मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड। जैसे कि ये चैप्टर हमने समझ लिया, आज हम इसकी वर्कबुक कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं। क्वेश्चन 1, ऑब्जर्व द फॉलोइंग एंड राइट द कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट्स। आपको जानना है, ठीक है। तो हम फर्स्ट स्टार्स वाला लेते हैं कि क्या है स्टार्स, तो काउंट करते हैं स्टार्स को। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 स्टार्स है, 2 ग्रुप्स है, राइट। 2 करके 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, तो हमने 4 टाइम्स 2 लिया तो हुआ हमारा 4 × 2 8। फिर इस तरह से हम 3 को 1 2 3 4 5 टाइम्स लेंगे तो हुआ हमारा 5 टाइम्स 3 मीन्स 5 3 ज़ा 15 पैटर्न। इस तरह से हमें यह सॉल्व करना है। 2 कितने टाइम्स है, 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 टाइम्स 2 मतलब 7 × 2 7 2 ज़ा 14। 10 कितने टाइम्स है, 1 2 3 4 5 6 टाइम्स 10 6 10 ज़ा 60। 15 + 15 + 15 1 2 and 3 टाइम्स 15 3 ज़ा 45। 20 को 1 2 3 4 5 टाइम्स 20 100। 1 2 3 4 5 6 टाइम्स 100 मीन्स 600। 500 + 500 + 500 1 2 3 टाइम्स 500 मीन्स 1500। टर्न योर पेज। मैच द कॉलम, ये आपको मैच करना है। 5 × 7 × 8 7 × 8 × 5 2 × 3 × 4 3 × 4 × 2 1 × 9 × 5 1 × 5 × 9 6 × 7 × 4 4 × 6 × 7 5 × 3 × 2 2 × 5 × 3। Solve mentally. 25 multiplied blank equals to 36 × 25. Here answer will be 36. 676 × 0, that is 0 × 676. You have to reverse the number. 4823 multiply 1 equals to 1 × 4823. 14 × 28 × 37, that is 37 × 28 × 14. 71 × 46 × 19 equals to 46 × 71 × 19. 7235 × 0, that is 0 × 7235. 450 × 124 equals to 124 × 450. 97 × 400, that is 400 × 97. 200 × 5 × 25, that is 5 × 25 × 200. Here you have to reverse out the numbers. Now multiply 39 × 2 78, 39 × 20 780, 39 × 200 7800. You have to multiply and write down the answer here. 97 × 7, that is 679. 97 × 70 6790. Here you have to do double digit sum and after that you have to write the answer. 97 × 700, that is 67900. Now divide and find the question. Divide all these numbers and you have to find out the question, not the remainder. Here questions are written. Now turn your page. Solve the sums. See here you have to solve the sums. You have to split the digits and solve it. 78 × 29, so we have written 7 and 8. 29, so 2 and 9. 2 and 9, okay. 8 2 ज़ा 16, 7 2 ज़ा 14, 8 9 ज़ा 72, 7 9 ज़ा 63. Now you have to 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 1, now you have to add all the numbers, you have to add all this and you have to write down the answer. Add all these numbers and write down the answer. 82 into 94, 82 into 94, 9 2s are 18 and 8 9s are 72, 2 4s are 8, 8 4s are 32. You have to add the numbers, you have to total add the numbers and write answer here. In this way you have to solve all these sums. Now here use multiplication and division to fill in the fact. 7 to 72, 9 8s are 72, reverse 8 9s are 72, 72 divide by 9 equals to 8 and 72 divide by 8 equals to 9. You have to use both multiplication and division fact. 28, 7 and 4, 7 4s are 28, 4 7s are 28, 28 divided by 7 equals to 4, 28 divided by 4 equals to 7. In this way you have to solve this house fact. Here story sum. A residential apartment block gets 13,750 liters of water every day for the residents. Out of this, 1,000 liters is used to water the plants and wash the corridors. If there are 85 houses in the block, how much water does each household get? First you have to subtract 13,750 subtract 1000. You will get 12,750. Divide by how many houses? 85 houses. So your answer will be 150 liter each for each house. एक house के लिए 150 liters चाहिए water का. A bookseller had 30 sets of class 5th book priced at a total of rupees 47,040. He sold 25 sets. How much money did he collect? 30 sets है, उसमें से 25 सेट्स उसने बेच दिए. टोटल प्राइस है 47,040 डिवाइड बाय 30 सेट्स. योर आंसर विल बी 1,568 पर सेट प्राइस. सो पर सेट प्राइस multiply by 28 set, you will get the answer 39,200 rupees. That is the collection of money for 25 sets. Now turn your page. The product of two number is 459. If one number is 9, find the other. 459 divided by 9, answer will be 51. Product means that is the answer of the number 459, and if one number is 9, then what is the another number? So we will find out by division method. 459 into divide by 9 equals to 51. A car runs 4 km in a liter of petrol. In a liter of petrol, 1 liter 4 km. How much petrol will it require to run 80,636 km? So divide 80,636 km divide by 4, you will get answer. There are 31 days in a month of October. How many minutes are there in the month of October? 31 days in the month of October. You have to find out the minutes. So 1 hour 60 minutes, 24 hours 60 into 24, that is 1440 minutes for one day. One day 1440 minutes. So 31 days minutes 1440 into 31, you will get the minutes. The price of 12 packet of toffees is rupees 144. Find the cost of 24 such packet of toffees. Price of 12 packets of toffees. 12 packets raw toffees, that's rupees 144. Now we have to find out the total cost of 24 packets. 12 packets 144. 1 packet equals to 144 into 12, 12 rupees. Now 12 into 24, you will get the answer for 24 packets. So students, here our chapter 13 is over. Complete that in your workbook. Thank you.